Hey, in this episode, we want to create a class for our script and use this as a collection for functions. So we open the main py script and we create a function. And in Python, we create a function def and give it a name. Um, Your name is freeze underscore deformers underscore 01, I would say, is good. As an argument, we want the C and then double point. And this is actually our first function. I don't want to run all this code here for testing, so I just want to run print function 01, and I just hashtag this out here. So I try this. Let's see what's happening. Clear this here. Okay, nothing happens. Huh? So we have to call the function. And we do this by writing the name, freeze deformers 01, and as an argument, we pass this scene variable as an argument into the function. Okay, let's try this. Okay, works. For every mesh, it printed function 01. This is good. I want to copy this function here and try a different version of the same for later purposes. So I call this function 02, and we print function 02. So for this code here, we just could try if deformers in x point item graph name. Okay, I think it's interesting to see if this will be faster because for loops are a little bit slow, I think, in Python. And later we can take a look if we enumerate over this for loop, if this will be faster. I think when this takes always 20 seconds and we came to something like 15, this would be a good thing, maybe, but we will see. So we have to print function 0, print function 2. We can just write something like this, right? And just replace a 1 here with a 2, and look what's happening. We got function 2, and way above there, function 1. Okay, cool. Now we want to wrap this up in a class, so we just write class, and then the name. The name will be freeze all meshes. Yeah, I would say procedural meshes because I think mashups can also exist in Modo without being connected to an item, right? And we just tap this up. This is cool. So this won't work anymore. So to call these functions now, we just have to write freeze all procedural meshes point, and it's fine. Okay, I lost something. Yeah, forget something. Yeah, point. Okay, cool. This should be good. We clear the master list here and print this. A few hundred times function 2. Function 1 will be above this. Doesn't really matter. You could also tap this out here. Check this. right? If we actually get something correct, and yeah, function 1, function 2, this is good. What we want to now do is we assign a new variable, args equals lx point args run bracket, and we want to check the arguments our script is using. So we need actually two arguments, and we choose here the name of the functions. Freeze form is 0 and 2, and so we can check if args, if it actually exists, check for the arguments. If args 0 equals nope, string freeze form is 0, 1, double point. And if this is true, we want to call this function. If this is not true, you want to check elif args 0 equals freeze deformers 0, 2. Dot point, of course. If both is untrue, else print no no argument match or something like this. Okay, we need these two strings here, freeze argument 0, 1. Back to Modo, we go to the form editor, and we find our form here, main py, and add first script, and we have the first argument, so argument 0 is freeze deformers 0, 1. Enter, duplicate, and we change this here, the 0, 1 to 0, 2. Okay, easy peasy. We could change the name, freeze deformers test 1. Copy this, paste this into this label here, and call this 2. And let's see let's try. Okay, function 0, 1, function 2. If we have let's try to something different. We have no argument. Okay, no arguments match. If we delete the argument, if there is no argument, nothing happens because we wrote if args, and we could also write here else no arguments found, and we should see here no arguments found. Okay, no if args I think because else we try this, print args, nothing. So what can we do? Else maybe if len args equals 0. Print no args found. Okay, let's try this. Okay, we get no args found. This is nice, this is okay. we can work with that. Okay, we need the string back, and yeah, places here with nothing. Okay, works. And if it's XX, no argument match. This is okay. This is nice. So this means we can now use one script file for multiple purposes. And I just bring this back here. We don't need this anymore. Okay, this is good. This is fine. What I want to do now is I want to save my form here to desktop. Save form desktop. CFG temp. Okay, nice. Desktop CFG temp is here. And I copy here so config, back to Modo, system, user folder, kids, Modo diver, Elixir, no, configs, and Modo diver base form. And I just save this. This is good, everything works. And I reset my Modo just to check. So everything is okay. Yeah, okay. Kids, the D, and we have here freeze deformers test run, freeze deformers test 2. One thing I want to do is I want to go back to the kit, the Modo diver kit, to the index CFG. I want to give this a higher version number. This version number is 1.1. So I plan to share every iteration of the kit with you. So we start here with 1.1. If you couldn't follow the tutorials or don't want to do them, but use something we do here, you can grab this in the future on Gumroad. Okay, that's it. Ciao.